Title: ɡrɪp, holding onto power and control. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡrɪp. A ɡrɪp is the act of holding something firmly, or the strength of one's hold on an object or situation. It signifies the ability to maintain power, control, or a secure hold. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡrɪp is simple, ɡrɪp, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, a strong grip is essential when lifting heavy objects, ensuring safety and control. Importance: ɡrɪp is crucial in various aspects of life, from physical tasks to managing situations, as it represents one's ability to maintain control and stability. Conclusion: in summary, ɡrɪp is a word that represents the physical and metaphorical ability to hold on to power and control. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the importance of a strong grip in navigating life's challenges.